Discord is a social media app that allows users to communicate with each other. Recently, Discord has added a new feature that allows you to connect your Discord account to your Spotify account. Spotify is one of the most popular music streaming apps that allows users to listen to popular music from all over the world. With the new Discord feature that allows to connect with Spotify, you will get some new benefits. In this video, we will tell you some of the benefits you will get from connecting to your Spotify account. Now, you will be able to share what songs you are currently listening to with your friends on Discord. Your friends will also have the ability to be able to play the songs that you are listening on Spotify. Your friends will even be able to listen to any song along with you, letting you be their DJ. However, to use the last feature, the listeners are required to have the Spotify Premium subscription.